It's supposed to be teeth, but yeah. Almost finished the first day, which is zombie pumpkin, and I'm gonna call it what did I say? Recovery at midnight. Okay, back to the Christmas sheet, sticker sheet. I ended up giving it a name, and I finished or about to finish 3, but I mainly just finished the main sticker, which is this one. Colored it in, so that one's ready, and then I started on these 2 feathery ones. I recently started like adding like these like very thin lines to artworks, so I'm having fun with it just because I like how it kind of gives like extra lining to the work instead of it being like just bold lines. Like I first did it with this artwork, and I did it for her hair, like the very thin, but they're kind of bold, but multiple line work. I also did the same thing to like the water too, like multiple lines on top of each other. I kind of did it in her hair, but not as much, and I just like really have fun doing it, and I'm starting to do it more now. Like if you go to this artwork, I also did it too, not as much, but I did it to her hair a little bit to give like that very matte texture, I guess. And then again, I did it on this artwork too at the bottom, just to kind of show like the ins and outs of whatever this is. It's supposed to be teeth, but yeah. So for October, I like to do like Halloween prompts that are specifically for art and for writing. So I come up with 31 different Halloween prompts that can be used to either write or draw something. They're very vague titles that they could do good for either one. So here is the list, and I already just almost finished the first day, which is zombie pumpkin. And so I'm going to show you what I came up with for zombie pumpkin. Okay, well, this is what I came up with for zombie pumpkin. I am coloring it in. I'm going to color the pumpkin in like in this like dull orange, deep orange color. But yeah, we got a pumpkin with sharp teeth with some ghost on the side and like a Frankenstein monster carrying the pumpkin, and I'm going to call it what did I say? Recovery at midnight. But yeah, so like one of the ghosts was forced into the pumpkin as like a body of some sorts, hence why it's kind of matte and like has sharp teeth because it doesn't want to be in the pumpkin. I was gonna do something with like these pumpkins at the bottom, but I decided not to. I'm just gonna keep them plain pumpkins to not like interfere with the main one. Let me read what I came up with because I actually really like this list. So for the first day is zombie pumpkin, and then it's eyes on me. Then 3 is hiding in darkness. 4 is consuming the world. 5 is under the full moon. 6 is what's on the other side. 7, follow me. 8, creeping time. 9, never go outside. 10, surrounding me. 11, under the building. 12, how we've changed. 13, raising from beyond. 14, when I was called. 15, beauty and the unknown. 16, the ghost next to me. 17, falling into the depths. 18, ghoul-filled tea party. 19, what's today's snack. 20, traveling overhead. 21, with the candle burning. 22, finally home. 23, sharp fangs nearby. 29, just found the perfect home. I believe that's what it says. 25, chilly wind tonight. 26, the television stopped working. 27, collecting candy at the weird house. 28, cobwebs in my mouth. 29, the deep sea doesn't scare me. 31, streams of life. And then for the last day, it's going to be piles of horror. I already finished day 2, so I'm just like a tad bit ahead. This is the finished product of day 2, which was eyes on me, so you can see the eyes. So I just did something really simple. This one is called expectation versus self-doubt, and I think you can kind of guess which one's which. Yeah, this one I had really no idea what to do with this one. This prompt was a little bit hard to do, so I just started drawing an eye first, and then I ended up drawing a person. Yeah, I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with this one, so I just went with the really simple thing. I put, as the sun sets, tell me why do you insist on pushing the night through. Yeah, I just wrote whatever came to mind first. And then most of the eyes have the veins and then the irises. This one doesn't have one because it's a more hopeful eye. I guess it's like looking with hopeful eyes, basically. Look how cute they are. They're holding hands and they're on the purple pumpkin or black pumpkin, but they look so cute. I was just taking pictures for Instagram, that's why. Oh, I love it. I wish I could just keep this like forever, but I can't because I don't have the space for that. This will require like their own shelf, but it looks so cute. I wish I could just keep it. Oh my god. I don't know, but look at them. Well, let me zoom out so you can like see like a full picture of what I'm doing. This is like the full picture. So I just got a Rollo printer like like last week or so, and I finally set it up just because I'm in the mood to set it up. And I just did the test print. I'm really excited to have this. just finished a new art print artwork, and it's this one right here. It's a more Native American artwork for Christmas holidays, Christmas tree, and then there's a bag of toys, and I just put two candy canes right there to show that there's stuff in there and that, you know, there's candy in there. But yeah, so we got a version of Mr. and Mrs. Claus riding in a wagon to deliver these. Whoever's getting these, I don't know, but yeah. And then we got some stars, meteor shower happening, some horses that I did not want to draw the whole thing, so I just drew their backside. But this was the beginning artwork or sketch. So the one I just showed you is the one that's going to be uploaded, and then this one from last year is also going to be back on Etsy shop on the 1st. And I believe these two are only two things that are holiday related. And then finally, this is the first card. Then this is the first card that I ended up making. This one, I'm not really sure if I want to add it. Like, the picture is okay, it's just the way that I did the words I don't like. I mean, I like it, so I guess I can go in and like delete the wording. I'm just gonna leave it blank with no wording, just a picture. It will look nicer. Like I said, I didn't like how I did my handwriting. This is before I could like really control the way I did my writing in Procreate. But yeah, so I'll probably just go in and carefully redo the wording. So maybe I'll end up adding this one. Yeah, it's this one. And as always, the background is more purple. It's not really blue. So yeah. So yeah, those are the cards that I'm going to be putting back onto the shop within the next few days before November 1st.